Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the best of beauty with honesty, insight, and a little sparkle. Today, we're taking a closer look at theBalm's Bahama Mama Liquid Bronzer in Cool Contour. It's a liquid bronzer designed to give your face a sculpted matte finish, and it's fully vegan, which is a bonus if you're conscious about ingredients and sustainability. The formula itself is lightweight and creamy, meant to blend seamlessly into the skin for a natural contour without looking harsh or patchy. It's designed to be buildable, so whether you want a subtle definition or a more dramatic shadow, this bronzer aims to deliver. The shade, Cool Contour, leans cooler, which is ideal for creating a realistic shadowed effect rather than adding warmth. Using it in my routine was straightforward. I applied it with a small, dense brush, starting lightly on the hollows of my cheeks and working outward. The formula blends easily, which is great for avoiding streaks, and it layers well over other products like foundation and primer without pilling. One thing I noticed is that it dries down relatively quickly, so you do need to work in sections to ensure a smooth application. I also tried it over different skin types. On my combination skin, it held well throughout the day without fading or separating, which is always a win. A few pros. The texture is creamy yet matte, making blending simple. The shade is flattering for cooler undertones, and it's vegan, which is a definite plus for ethical beauty lovers. On the flip side, it may feel a little dry for very dry skin types if used alone, and the small bottle might feel limiting if you use bronzer heavily every day. In terms of value, theBalm is mid-range in price, and considering the quality of the formula, the vegan ingredient consideration, and the ease of use, it's a fair investment. Compared to other liquid bronzers I've tested, like those from Fenty Beauty or Milk Makeup, the Cool Contour shade is notably cooler and more contour-focused rather than warmth-focused, which is great if you're aiming for sculpting rather than a sun-kissed glow. The packaging is sleek and practical, with a pump that dispenses just the right amount of product. I found it easy to control, and there's minimal mess, always a plus when your beauty routine is busy. Over time, I expect the product to remain stable, since liquid formulas like this generally have good shelf life, especially when kept tightly closed. If you're looking for alternatives, some might consider the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer for a similar lightweight texture, or Fenty's Matchsticks in a cooler contour shade. Both are slightly pricier, but offer similar blendability and finish. Overall, the Bahama Mama Liquid Bronzer in Cool Contour delivers a precise matte sculpting effect that's easy to work with and vegan-friendly. It's perfect for anyone wanting a cool tone contour that stays in place without caking or looking unnatural. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you've tried this bronzer, drop a comment below and share your experience. The link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.